Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a brand new feature on Instagram Reels, sharing notes with your followers on other people's content. This exciting update lets you add your own thoughts or reactions directly to Reels you find engaging. So, let's get started. All right, open Instagram and find an interesting Reel. I found this one. Once you've found a Reel, tap the Share button, the paper airplane icon. In the pop-up menu, you'll see a new option in the bottom left corner labeled Add Note. This is where the magic happens. Tap on Add Note, and a text box will appear. Here, you can type your message. Instagram allows you to choose who sees your note. You might be able to share it with your followers you follow back, or just with your close friends. Once you've crafted your perfect note, tap Done. Your note will now be displayed alongside the Reel, adding to the conversation and engagement. In case you want to delete the note, just tap on it and a new window will pop up at the bottom. Here, just tap on the Delete note and puff. Your note is deleted. That's it! You learned to share notes with your friends on other people's Reels. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks.